A. A is for ant. A is for ant. B. B. B is for bear. B is for bear. C. C. C is for cow. C is for cow. D. D is for duck. D is for duck. E. E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F. F. F is for fish. F is for fish. G. G is for giraffe. G is for giraffe. H. H is for hen. H is for hen. I. I is for iguana. I is for iguana. J. J is for joker. J is for joker. K. K. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. L. L is for lion. L is for lion. M. M. M is for monkey. N is for monkey. N. N is for narwhal. N is for narwhal. O. O. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. P. P is for penguin. P is for penguin. Q. Q is for coil. Q is for coil. R. R is for rhino. R is for rhino. S. S is for snake. S is for snake. T. T is for turtle. T is for turtle. U. U. U is for unicorn. U is for unicorn. V. V is for vulture. V is for vulture. W. W. W is for walrus. W is for walrus. X is for extras. Y. Y is for york. Y is for york. Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Y is for york. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. तो प्यारे बच्चों, मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें।